Welcome to the first tutorial of our openCHA tutorial series, where we'll guide you through installing and setting up openCHA. We'll also show a demo of how openCHA answers questions by asking a sample question. To ensure safe and stable use of openCHA, it's essential to have Python 3.10 or higher installed. To begin, we highly recommend setting up a separate virtual environment to maintain consistency among Python packages and libraries, ensuring they have the correct dependencies. To create a new virtual environment, navigate to your terminal. Whether you're using a Linux or Mac terminal, or on Windows with options like PowerShell or WSL terminal, the process remains similar. Next, utilize the command python mvenv to create the new virtual environment. Upon execution, you'll notice a folder generated with the same name as the one you provided for the virtual environment. To activate this virtual environment, you'll need to execute source activate, followed by providing the path to the created virtual environment. Once the virtual environment is configured, you'll notice that the name of your virtual environment appears at the beginning of your command line in the terminal. This sets up an isolated environment for CHA, enabling safe and reliable operation. Now, we're prepared to download the latest stable version of openCHA. Ensure that you have Git installed on your command line. Then, by utilizing the git clone command and specifying our repository address, the openCHA codes will be fetched onto your local system. You'll then observe a folder named CHA in your working directory. Redirect the CHA folder. Next, we'll install the Python dependencies necessary to run openCHA. Simply use pip install and indicate the packages you wish to install. You have the option to select either the minimum or all dependencies. The minimum option installs only the essential dependencies supporting a limited number of tasks such as Google_search and extract_text. To utilize other tasks, you'll need to install all dependencies or dynamically install them when needed. Detailed information about the libraries required for each task is provided in our API documentation. Additionally, when selecting a task while running openCHA, if a package needs to be installed, you'll receive appropriate guidance in the terminal logs. Lastly, ensure you install Playwright, as it's necessary for the extract_text task to operate effectively. By default, openCHA employs OpenAI GPT 3.5 as its LLM core. To utilize OpenAI, you must first register an account with OpenAI and generate a paid API key. Once you have obtained the API key, follow the instructions in the video to use the export command, enclosing your API key within double quotations, as indicated by the orange line. At this point, you can easily launch our openCHA interface version by executing the main.py file. Keep in mind that running this file for the first time might require some time. Once initiated, a prompt will appear in your terminal, displaying the URL for accessing the interface. Copy this URL and paste it into your preferred web browser. Voila! You'll now have access to the openCHA interface. Now, let's put openCHA to the test by asking it a question. Navigate to the tasks list and choose the Google_search and extract_text tasks. The Google_search task will scour the internet for relevant websites based on your question, while the extract_text task will retrieve information from the URLs provided by the Google_search task. Ultimately, openCHA will deliver the final answer based on the compiled website data. Once you've selected the tasks, proceed to the question box and input your query. For instance, let's ask the question, "How can I enhance my sleep?" openCHA will then search the internet for relevant information and provide an answer based on the findings. In the terminal logs, you'll observe all the activities that openCHA is carrying out. Different colors within the logs signify the activity of different components. For example, task execution results are displayed in purple. In upcoming tutorials, we'll delve deeper into how to analyze logs for debugging purposes or to comprehend how openCHA arrived at its final answer. Now that you've witnessed the final result, Feel free to experiment with openCHA on your own. Enjoy exploring.